Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top ways you can make money online in 2025. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle to earn a few extra $100 a month, or you're ready to go all in on building a six-figure online business that lets you travel the world, we've got you covered. We're going to be breaking down 5 proven methods that are still super relevant and lucrative in 2025 and beyond. We're not talking about any get-rich-quick schemes here. These are legitimate business models that require effort and dedication, but can generate serious income with the right approach. So, if you're ready to unlock the potential of the internet and start building your own online income streams, grab your notebooks, get comfy, and let's dive in. First up, we're talking freelancing. Freelancing is about leveraging your skills and offering them to clients on a project basis. This could be anything from writing and graphic design to web development and social media management. If you have a skill that businesses need, you can freelance it. One of the biggest benefits is the low barrier to entry. You just need your skills and a laptop. Plus, you get to be your own boss and work from anywhere. Imagine working from a beach in Bali or a cafe in Paris. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to start. They connect freelancers with clients worldwide. Set your rates competitively and showcase your best work. Another tip is to niche down. Focus on specific areas and become an expert. This makes you more desirable to clients. Communication is key. Respond promptly, be clear about your services, and over-deliver. Building strong relationships can lead to repeat business and referrals, but freelancing isn't for everyone. It takes hustle, dedication, and constant client acquisition. If you want a more automated business, dropshipping might be for you. Dropshipping has become super popular over the past few years, and for good reason. It's a business model where you sell products online without actually holding any inventory. Sounds pretty good, right? Here's how it works. You create an online store, usually using platforms like Shopify, and list products from a dropshipping supplier. When a customer places an order on your store, you simply forward the order details to your supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. The best part? You only pay for the product after you've made a sale. This means you don't need to invest thousands of dollars in inventory upfront, making it a much lower risk business model compared to traditional e-commerce. Now, finding the right products to sell is crucial in dropshipping. You want to look for products with high demand, low competition, and good profit margins. Tools like Google Trends and product research software can help you identify winning products. Once you have your products, building a professional-looking online store is key. Shopify makes this super easy with its drag-and-drop interface and tons of customizable themes. And don't forget about marketing. Running Facebook and Instagram ads, partnering with influencers, and leveraging social media marketing can help you drive traffic to your store and generate sales. Dropshipping definitely has its pros and cons. While the low startup costs and flexibility are huge advantages, you do have less control over the supply chain and shipping times, which can sometimes lead to customer service issues. But hey, with the right approach and dedication, dropshipping can be a lucrative online business model. Chapter 3. Let's talk about affiliate marketing, a popular way to make money online. It's a performance-based model where you earn a commission for promoting other people's products or services. Join an affiliate program, choose products to promote, and share your unique link. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. You can promote products in any niche you're passionate about. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale offer various programs. Build trust with your audience by promoting products you believe in. Write honest reviews and share your experiences. Always disclose your affiliate relationships. Get creative with your promotions. Run contests, offer discounts, and leverage social media. With effort and consistency, affiliate marketing can generate passive income. As you build trust, your earnings can grow exponentially. Chapter 4. If you're an expert in something, whether it's photography, cooking, coding, or even dog training, why not package your knowledge into an online course and sell it to the world? Online courses are booming, and for good reason. They offer a convenient and affordable way for people to learn new skills from the comfort of their own homes. Creating an online course might seem daunting at first, but it's actually more achievable than you think. Start by outlining your course content, breaking it down into modules and lessons. Then choose a platform to host your course. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Podia offer all the tools you need to create, market, and sell your online courses. When it comes to creating your course content, don't be afraid to get creative. Use a mix of video lessons, downloadable workbooks, quizzes, and even live Quanda sessions to keep your students engaged. And remember, high-quality audio and video are crucial for a professional-looking course. Once your course is created, it's time to start marketing it. Build an email list, leverage social media, run paid ads, and collaborate with other creators in your niche to reach a wider audience. And don't forget about providing excellent customer support. Answering student questions promptly and providing helpful feedback can go a long way in building a loyal following. Creating and selling online courses can be a lucrative online business model, especially if you're passionate about teaching and helping others. Plus, it's a great way to generate passive income as your courses can be sold on autopilot while you focus on creating new content or enjoying your free time. Chapter 5. This is my personal favorite way to make money online. Content creation is all about sharing your passions, knowledge, and experiences with the world through platforms like YouTube, blogs, podcasts, and social media. If you love creating videos, writing, or recording podcasts, this could be the perfect online business model for you. The key to success in content creation is consistency and providing value to your audience. Whether you're sharing makeup tutorials, travel vlogs, financial advice, or cooking recipes, make sure your content is engaging, informative, and entertaining. Now, monetizing your content can be done in several ways. On YouTube, you can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and selling merchandise. Bloggers can monetize their content through display advertising, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. Podcasters can generate revenue through sponsorships, listener donations, and selling premium content. Building a loyal following takes time and effort, but it's the key to success in content creation. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and build a community around your content. The more engaged your audience is, the more opportunities you'll have to monetize your content and turn your passion into a profitable online business. And the best part? Content creation allows you to be yourself, share your passions, and connect with people from all over the world. It's a rewarding and fulfilling way to make money online while doing something you love. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money online. We covered a lot of ground today, from freelancing and dropshipping to affiliate marketing, online courses, and content creation. The possibilities for making money online are truly endless, and the best part is, you can get started today with minimal investment. So, what are you waiting for? Choose a method that resonates with you, take action, and start building your online empire. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Be patient, persistent, and never give up on your dreams.